Homeowners in Hilliard understand the challenges of maintaining comfort and protection through Florida's changing seasons. While many focus on their HVAC systems or insulation to manage indoor comfort, one overlooked factor often plays a key role: your doors. Over time, doors can warp, crack, or lose their sealing capabilities, allowing unwanted drafts and moisture to seep into your home. Not only does this affect your comfort, but it can also lead to higher energy bills, potential damage, and indoor air quality issues. Fortunately, door replacement offers a simple yet effective way to eliminate these problems and create a more efficient, durable, and comfortable home. Here's how replacing your doors can make a big difference for Hilliard homeowners. Eliminating air leaks and drafts. One of the most common reasons homeowners replace their doors is to stop air infiltration. Even a small gap between the door and its frame can allow cool air to escape during summer and warm air to leak out in the winter. Over time, exposure to Florida's heat, humidity, and rainfall can cause wooden doors to swell, shrink, or warp, preventing them from closing tightly. Old or worn weather stripping may also lose its elasticity, further allowing air to pass through. By installing a new, properly sealed door, you can immediately eliminate these drafts. Modern doors are engineered with advanced materials and precise fitting that ensure a tight seal around the frame. This means no more cold air creeping in, no more uneven temperatures, and less strain on your HVAC system, helping to reduce your energy bills year-round. Protecting against moisture intrusion. Florida's humid climate and frequent rainstorms can wreak havoc on older doors. When moisture seeps into cracks or gaps, it can cause rot, mold, and structural damage to both the door and the surrounding frame. High humidity can also lead to condensation buildup, which can damage paint, flooring, and baseboards near entryways. For homeowners in Hilliard, where weather changes can be unpredictable, preventing moisture intrusion is crucial for preserving both comfort and indoor air quality. Modern replacement doors, particularly those made of fiberglass, steel, or composite materials, are designed with moisture-resistant finishes and insulated cores. These materials don't warp or absorb water like traditional wood, ensuring long-lasting performance even during Florida's rainy season. Proper professional installation also includes high-quality weather stripping and threshold seals, which serve as a reliable barrier against water infiltration, keeping your home dry and secure no matter the conditions outside. Improving energy efficiency. Beyond blocking drafts and moisture, energy-efficient doors also enhance your home's overall insulation. Many of today's replacement doors feature foam-filled cores, energy-rated glass inserts, and multi-layer sealing systems that keep indoor temperatures stable. This improved thermal performance means your air conditioning system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable environment, a major benefit during Hilliard's hot, humid months. In fact, the U.S. Department of Energy notes that replacing outdated exterior doors can lead to significant energy savings over time. For Hilliard homeowners, that translates to lower monthly utility costs and a more eco-friendly household. Enhancing comfort and curb appeal. A new door doesn't just perform better, it also looks better. Whether you choose a sleek fiberglass design, a classic wood grain finish, or a modern steel entry door, replacement options today combine style with superior function. Beyond aesthetic appeal, homeowners often notice an immediate improvement in indoor comfort. No more drafts near the entryway or musty odors from trapped moisture, just a clean, balanced atmosphere that feels inviting year-round. The importance of professional installation. Even the best energy-efficient doors won't perform effectively if they're not installed correctly. Professional door installers in Hilliard ensure your replacement fits perfectly, is properly insulated, and complies with local building codes. Expert installation also prevents future issues such as sagging, poor alignment, or water leaks, guaranteeing that your investment delivers maximum results for years to come. Final thoughts for homeowners in Hilliard. Door replacement isn't just about upgrading appearances. It's about protecting your home's comfort, efficiency, and structure. Replacing an aging or warped door can help eliminate drafts, block moisture, and enhance energy performance, keeping your living space cooler, drier, and more enjoyable through every season. With the right materials and professional installation, your new doors will not only stand up to Florida's climate but also add lasting value and beauty to your home. If you're noticing drafts, condensation, or rising energy bills, it may be time to explore your door replacement options and enjoy the difference a well-sealed, high-performance entryway can make.